Hi, this is Visit Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to mention account on TikTok bio. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Writing a bio for any social media profile can be challenging. How do you express the essence of who you are and what you want to be known for when you have a limited character count and need to match the vibe of the social platform? It's tricky and even more so with TikTok. A TikTok bio is world different best and an Instagram bio. And don't you know that on TikTok bio you can mention account? It's so simple how to do it. So first, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now we can just go to your profile, but tap on the bottom right here. Now you can just tap on edit profile. You can tap on bio, and here you can just enter your bio. And to mention, you can see there is an option mention. Tap on that and you can mention the account that you want to add to your bio. Now you can just tap on save. You can go back. So here's your new bio with the account mentioned on your bio TikTok. So simple, right? So that is how to mention account on TikTok bio. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.